Good afternoon, everybody. Today I'm making a review video on the Envo mask, the N95 Envo mask. And before I start the review, I'd like to give out a special thank you, shout out to Kevin and Ginger. Thank you guys. Thank you both so much for your thoughtfulness, sharing your blessings by buying this mask for me. I really appreciate it, you guys. I did not expect it, and I was definitely blown away by the kind gesture you two have extended to me, and again, I appreciate that. So thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, so to continue the review, I divided the video in two parts. The first part would be just me taking a video of how I put the mask together so you could see how it's put together and you can use it. The second part is more details into how I like it and the likes. So there you go. Okay, so the Envo mask, it's pretty neat. I've used it for about 2 weeks now, and I like it. I love it because of these jelly-like. It's really neat how they came up with this solution for the comfort of the user, and it's really snug whenever I put the straps on and I tighten it to my liking. And it sits on there really nice. And unlike the N95s that were issued at work, I prefer this any day, and I will continue to wear this So you have this, you've got the filter, and it comes with the strap and a spit guard. Now I am not sure if the filters come with the as a kit. Again, I did not buy the mask, but I will put the link to their website down in the description below, so please go there and you can access the link to their website so that you can see how much they charge, and if they have a kit that comes with purchasing the mask. Comes with this case. It's real neat because after work I just shove it in there, close it up, and it has this the back part where you can put your name on it. I haven't. I need to put my name on there, and it sits in there perfect. I would make sure that if you put it in your backpacks or bags, make sure that it stays on top and nothing goes on top of it. It's dirty, but I would not put anything on top of it just to be sure that it doesn't break. And it does come in this box, so that's the box that it comes in, and this case is in there along with the mask and its components. Now there is a spit guard that you can buy separate. The spit guard is a really neat feature that sits on the outside. So take this and make sure that you put it in there nicely. Okay. This.
Can I put this up on?
Yeah, sure, in a little bit. And then this comes over, and then it snaps in. Just make sure that the linings on the sides fits perfectly. You don't want it to be any gaps. And then just pop it in there. Okay, Benny.
This way? This way?
No, not that.
This way?
Yeah, hold on. Not yet, not yet. Hold on, we're gonna finish this one first. Alright. So it's on there good. Snugged. Oh, not yet snug. Hold on. How much? There you go. Snaps. Snap, snap. And then make sure the filter is in there nicely. And then this, hold on, let me show them it's got this clip-ons that goes on the sides, and then these two on the top, kind of a guide to make sure that it stays in place. So what you do is you put it over it, hold on, make sure it's right there, and snap it in. Oh, hold on. Oh, that goes on the inside. There you go. So, snapped in there, perfect, snugged. As far as I know, I've seen my coworkers, there's a color blue and color pink.
Blue.
So blue and pink are the available colors that I've seen so far. So again, check their website. The link is down there in the description below. You can go to their website and see for yourselves the prices and what you can add on, and the filter prices and all that. And it comes with this strap. So the strap from the owner's manual, I'm gonna slip it in like that. So we hold the mask right there. Straps go in. And then strap. Just kind of make sure that it's in the right direction so that it's comfortable on your head when you put it on. Okay. We grab onto these two, the two ends,
glue.
Okay. Let me know when you're done, bud.
Okay.
And then once you got these two, just grab onto them just like so. And make sure that the ends are like that. And then there's a little clip you can, this will be for your strap. So you push it together, and then you put this through, and then you pull. That's it. There you go, guys. We've got ourselves an N95. So it should look something like this. So the straps that go over your head, this goes over your neck. And I've seen some of my coworkers, they have the one that goes around your ears. I might look into buying that. Let me know if you want me to put a review on that. I will put an updated video. This will be a long-term review. So again, this is about the second week that I've had this mask. So the strap goes over your neck, your head, and then your neck. Put it over your nose like that. Straps over your head, and then these two you pull so you can snug, and then just like that. As you can see and you can hear, it's pretty snug. So yeah, you can see the seal right there on the side. And if you need it to be sealed some more, you just pull on that. Snug. Well, it's pretty good. And you can still hear, if I'm talking with this mask over, you can still hear pretty good. And then to take it off, you just release. And that's it, guys. So I did notice that you could see the moist inside. Dad. So that's one thing I've noticed. So far so good. Love the mask again. So thank you again, and thank you for liking the video. If you liked it and you want more reviews as we continue on through this year, the rest of the year, I will make updated videos. So if you are looking and thinking about purchasing one, as far as right now, I really do love the mask. Again, these are so comfortable on the bridge of your nose, around your cheeks area, and down on your chin. So please like the video, and you can hit that share. Also subscribe to the channel. We are trying to grow this channel, more of a personal channel, just about life. I know nothing crazy, nothing special about our vlogs. Yeah, let's continue this journey together. Again, I appreciate you subscribing to this channel. It's a growing small channel. I will try to make more reviews on just things that I've used personally, mostly. And yeah, that's it, y'all. Thank you. Thank you.